Tempting customers at Zara's flagship Fifth Avenue store are the latest trends in quilted jackets, strap stilettos, red felt hats, and gold sparkle-studded flats. But at Zara's, what's here today may be gone in 2 weeks. That's how frequently Inditex, Zara's parent company, restocks its stores around the world.
What Inditex has done is take a look at the business model that other competitors have used and drastically changed it.
Nelson Freeman teaches operations management and retail strategy at Columbia Business School. He says Zara's business model revolves around being able to offer new items based on what's selling in stores.
What Inditex does very well, they have about 250 designers in 24,000 square meters of space in La Coruña. They get the feedback on a daily basis from the stores around the world. The designer basically tweaks what they want to do. They have a prototype built within hours, and they can have the cycle between design and putting in the store can be as short as 2 weeks, which no other competitor can do.
This process innovation, as Professor Freeman calls it, turned the Spanish-based company into one of the top retailers in the world. With 5,900 stores and 8 brands including Zara and the more high-end Massimo Dutti, Inditex has nearly double the number of stores of its next biggest competitors, Arcadia Group's Topshop and Sweden's H&M.
And the assortment in any one given day is very crisp. They don't have many things. If you go to a competitor like H&M, it's full of garments. When those garments in H&M need to be replenished, they're replenished basically the same thing. What Zara does, they have totally different new styles.
Style editors say Inditex stores aren't innovating style, but making fast fashion.
Most designers are thinking 3 or 4 months, sometimes a year ahead. And a lot of times something will start happening on the street. Street fashion is so big right now. Personal style is so big right now. Fast fashion is really a way for retailers to capitalize on a really quickly changing environment and turn those around and then satisfy their customers.
Style editors have also suggested that brands like Zara sometimes capitalize on the innovation of others.
People in the fashion industry have kind of a love-hate relationship with fast fashion. I mean, we love fast fashion, we shop there. But we also, cover designers, are sometimes friends with designers, are hugely supportive of the design community. And a lot of these designers spend a lot of time coming up with a concept, manufacturing it, putting it together. And fast fashion has the luxury of seeing that and being able to turn it around almost instantly.
Most of Inditex garments are made in North Africa, Europe, and Spain, so the company can monitor production closely. But as they open more stores in Asia, Professor Freeman says production will need to adjust.
So if they want to do a really big thrust on Asia, opening over 1,000 stores in China, then that will provide a bottleneck problem in Spain. So what they need to do probably is extend and reinvent themselves and do the whole same thing that they do now for Asia. If they do that, they will continue to be as successful.
Inditex opens 500 new stores a year, more than a store a day. Despite the global downturn, sales continue to grow. And Inditex founder recently replaced Warren Buffett as the 3rd richest man in the world.